How to remove app access on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove your app access on Twitter, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to remove your app access on Twitter, all you have to do is just go ahead and then open the Twitter application, and then you want to make sure that you're simply signed into your account. And once you're signed into the account, you're going to see this type of interface where you just have to tap the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top left, again you're going to land on this page where you just need to scroll down, look for an option called settings and support, and then scroll down, and then here you'll find this option called settings and privacy, and then just make sure to tap on settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, if you look over here, you'll find this option over here, that's a security and account access. Just make sure to tap on it, and then here you'll find this option called apps and sessions, so you want to make sure to tap on it again. When you go to apps and sessions, you'll be able to see all of the applications that have access to your Twitter account by just going to this option called connected apps. And if there are any of the applications that are connected to your Twitter account, you should be able to find them here and then remove them accordingly. So this way you can remove your app access on Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.